Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply short on Bitget. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Bitget app on your phone. Now from over here, simply go to this option of futures at the bottom, and then right over here you're gonna find this option of USDT-M, USDC-M, coin M, and these are currently available for me. Now I can go to this side icon and I can choose it to whatever I want. Now once I have done that, you can see open long and open short. So basically shorting is if you want to go to the go short, that means whenever that currency is going to the low price, then you will earn profit out of it. If it goes a long time, if it goes up, then you will lose money. That's basically what it means. For you to simply start it, you're gonna simply go ahead, tap on this close, and then enter the margin mode whatever you want according to, and then you can add and adjust the leverage level as well. You can also adjust the asset mode. Now you can go to the close and open as well. Now it depends on what you want to do. Do you want to open or do you want to close it? If you want to open, simply go ahead, select the open one, add in your limit order, add in the price, add in the quantity, choose the percentage, and then once you're done, simply tap on this option of open short. Once you add in all of the volumes, it will simply open this for short and it will be available. And once this particular currency it goes down, you will earn profits. And if you like to close, you can go to close and add in it, and you can also choose to close short or close long. So that's how you will be able to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.